Bill, don't let me fall. Come here. Oh, God. All right. Wow, Bill, this is slick. Ooh. I don't want to fall. Let's try and get back up this. I don't fall out here. Especially with her. Hey, knock it off. Get back here. I don't know what she thinks she's doing. Come on. Come on. Hey, it's okay. Come on. Good girl. You can stay with me. Stay with me. Come on. Hey. This is where she's just kind of acting crazy. Get over here. Come here. Sit. Down. No. Down. Bell. No. Down. No. Down, Bell. Down. No. Bell. Sit. And down. Down. And wait. No. Down. Wait. Bell. Good girl. Okay. Spin. Spin. Good girl. Alright, come on. Alright, come on. Bill. Bill. Come this way. Come with me. Oh, wow. He's acting crazy with the water. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know what the hell that was. Whoa. What the heck? What are you doing? What was that? I don't know. She's never seen anything quite like this, I don't think, but that's fucking crazy. There she goes right in. Did you just have to do that one time? Hey, what are you doing? Come on, Bill. Yeah. She jumped in the water. Come on, Bill. Bill, come on. Or we can go back. Bill. Come on. Come on. Hey, good God. Yeah, she gets a little crazy. And she hasn't hurt herself yet. Have you, Belle? Come on. Yeah. She does stuff like this. Ooh, Belle, you hear that? Good girl. Come here. Sit. Sit. Spin. Spin. Good girl. Spin. Good girl. Good spin. All right, that's what I'm talking about, bellissimo. She's got a couple down pretty good. Definitely need to just keep working on them. And god damn, stick jumped out at me and I thought it was a snake, but she's been pretty good. Down, she doesn't really care for too much, but she'll do it. Hey, Belle, look. Belle. Good girl. Down. Down. Down, Belle. Mm-mm. Down. Down. Belle. No. Down. 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 Come on. Belle. Down. Down. Good girl. There she goes. See, that's all we wanted. But she's pretty good about staying out in front of me, like she's doing. I'm not going too far. She'll definitely investigate and do some things. She likes to lead a little bit. I'd like for her to know when to stay back. Hey, Belle. Is that what's working on it? Belle, stay back. Stay back. And she'll kind of get there. No, stay back. Hey, come here. You gotta stay back. Over here. Come on. Come on. Belle, let's go. Come here. Come on. No, you gotta get over here. I'm running out of treats a little bit. You gotta get over here. Come on. And sit. Come right here. You gotta come right here, Belle. Come on. Belle. Come on. Right here. Closer. Come on. You gotta get right here. Good girl. Good here. Good here. She's a little wet from falling in the trees. Alright, now stay back. Belle. Stay back. Nope. Alright. See you, Belle. Bye, Belle. Bye, Belle. Alright, now stay back. Of course. Hey, knock it off. Belle. She ain't gonna listen to me. Of course, as soon as I say that, she does. Stay back. No. No. Bark at her. Quick. And stay back. Oh, she comes racing forward again. I said stay back, Belle. Alright. I guess go back a little bit more. Hey, Belle. I just took off. You get over here. Come on. Hey. Get over here. Belle. Come on. Get over here. Over here, Belle. Get over here. Here. Right here. Come on. Right here. Good. Are you learning? Are you learning? Good girl, Bellissimo. Maybe you need a little bit of love too. Good girl. Are you just trying to run away from your paw? Oh goodness. Hey, hey, hey. Easy. What the hell? Hey, no. I said no. No, let's go. So it's literally a lot of that. She can't help but want to just eat my ankles alive. Belle, no. This way. Knock it off. course, as I was talking about how good she was being, she goes and does some shit like this. I'm glad I'm getting it all, because what the fuck? Belle, get over here. No one told you to go that far. Come on. At least make her wait. Alright. Because before she was looking back, Belle, and making sure she was staying with me. Belle. Easy. Belle. Alright. See ya. See ya. You quit. Oh my goodness. I don't like how she's just running off. Because if I had to get her, she's not going to come back like that. Belle, get over here. And see, she's just going to take on off. Belle, come on. Come here. Look. Yeah? Come on. I'm going to put this leash back on you if you don't quit. Good girl. Come here. Hey, look. Man, she loves the word look. Look. Belle, come here. I'll give you some. I'll give you some. I still got more if you behave. Come on, little Belle. So we'll see what she does. She's doing good again. Like I said, she just gets worked up a little bit. Good girl, Belle. Look. Look. Good girl. Make her work for this one a little bit. Get it. Get him. Get him. Get him. See, because she wants to be back. She doesn't like going away from me. But she must want me to run through here. Oh, she can barely walk. Oh, get over it. Go to the right. Go to the right. Right. Good girl. Belle. Bye, Belle. Bye, Belle. Now stay back. No. Belle. Come here. Come here. Here. Sit. Good. Good girl. Here you go. Here you go. Good girl. Oops. Good girl. Just a little something. I'm kind of running out. I guess I got a little bit. Stay back, Belle. Belle. Stay back here. Come on. Over here. Belle, here. Here, Belle. Alright. Look. Here. Look. Here. Come here. Hey. Easy. Good girl, let's go. Come on, Bill, go. Go. Not off the edge, hopefully. Alright. That's pretty cool to see, Belle. Look. Those are baby cedars. I thought they were spruce for a second. Good girl. We can go over there one day, Bill, but I feel like if we went today, you'd probably beat your butt. Or, fall. Beat yourself up. Come on, Bill, go. There we go. Good girl. Hey, you stay with me. All right. Good girl. Go, Bill. Go, Bill. Go. Let's see what she does if I just wait on her. Go. Go, Bill. Go. Good girl. Go find it. Go get him. Go get him. Look. Look. Find him. Good girl. Here. You see anything, Bill? Come on. Oh, look.